Measuring your social media return on investment, or ROI, is crucial for knowing if your actions are giving you the value and impact you're looking for. Your ROI metrics guide decision-making, help optimize strategies, justify budgets, and ensure that your social media activities align with broader business objectives. That's why in this video, we will break down the concept of social media ROI and guide you on how businesses can measure the impact of their social media marketing efforts and optimize their strategies accordingly. Are you ready to tap into the immense power of influencers and take your marketing strategy to new heights? Let's get started. What is social media ROI? Social media ROI, or social media return on investment, is a metric used to measure the effectiveness and profitability of a company's or individual's social media marketing efforts. It quantifies the return or benefit gained from investing time, money, and resources into social media activities, including influencer marketing. In essence, it helps businesses and marketers assess whether their social media efforts are generating a positive financial impact. Calculating your social media ROI is crucial because it offers a measurable gauge of the effectiveness of your social media marketing endeavors. In fact, this metric serves several vital purposes. Firstly, it answers the fundamental question of whether investments in social media generate a positive return or simply consume resources. This insight informs resource allocation, allowing businesses to wisely distribute funds across various marketing channels. For example, by demonstrating a positive social media ROI, you can justify and potentially increase budget for future campaigns. ROI data also serves as a performance improvement tool, guiding decisions to optimize strategies. Plus, understanding your ROI relative to your competitors helps benchmark performance so that you can adapt your strategies for a competitive edge. Finally, social media ROI identifies inefficiencies, promoting resource efficiency and aiding in long-term strategy formulation. It holds teams accountable and provides a basis for reporting to stakeholders. Now that it's clear what it is and why you should track it, how exactly do you measure social media ROI? There are many ways to do it, but the easiest one is to use a platform that does the job for you. For example, Influencity's platform helps you quantify your social media ROI, including engagement, earned media value, audience quality, and the impact of top-performing posts. You can access a free trial in the link right here or in the description of this video. But first, let's explore some of these metrics and what they mean. Social media engagement. Social media engagement is key, as publications that elicit a high amount of engagement are more likely to appear in users' social media feeds. By identifying which content types, topics, or posting times generate the highest engagement, you can tailor your social media strategy to boost audience interaction and overall performance. Influencity's platform excels in this regard. It provides a comprehensive view of how your audience interacts with your social media content and how each influencer compares to other content creators with the same community size. You can keep track of key engagement metrics such as likes over time, comments, video plays, and more. This level of detail allows for precise content optimization. Calculate earned media value. Earned media value, also known as EMV, is a vital metric in social media marketing. EMV quantifies the advertising value of influencer posts by assessing the reach and engagement they generate. By accurately measuring EMV, you gain a deeper understanding of your social media ROI. It enables you to assess the impact of your influencer marketing campaigns and the value generated through user-generated content, helping you allocate resources effectively and justify your marketing budget. This data-driven approach ensures that your social media strategies are not only engaging, but also financially rewarding. Identify top-performing posts. By pinpointing which posts are most successful, you can replicate effective strategies in future content and campaigns to maximize your social media ROI. Measure audience quality. Another important factor that impacts your social media ROI is the quality of your audience. In other words, how relevant, authentic, and engaged an influencer's audience is likely to be. After all, there's no point in investing in an influencer if their followers are largely made up of fake followers or bots who are not going to interact with your content. Not only that, but when you target audiences with a higher quality score, you can potentially reduce your advertising costs. This is because high-quality audiences are more likely to engage and convert into paying customers, leading to a lower cost per acquisition or cost per click. Moreover, Understanding your audience's quality score can inform your content strategy. You can tailor your content to resonate with high-quality audiences, ensuring that your messaging is relevant and appealing to the right people. Plus, all this data makes it much easier to create accurate social media ROI forecasts, as you can estimate the potential return on investment for different campaigns or strategies based on the quality of the audience you plan to target. Ultimately, all of these factors contribute to a more accurate assessment of your social media ROI, ensuring that your investments are yielding positive returns. And again, to address this issue and help you quantify your social media ROI, Influencity's platform offers a unique audience quality score feature that can help you calculate your social media ROI in a number of ways. So don't forget to check the link in the description to learn more about it. You can also download this free ebook to unlock the secrets of leveraging TikTok's influencer community. You will discover the power of TikTok influencers, how to find them, and how to measure the ROI of TikTok campaigns. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.